guys, it's Mark Jansen from Nurse Chevrolet Cadillac. Just wanted to talk to you today about Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Great feature, especially nowadays with the police really going after people who are driving distracted with cell phones and other things. Essentially what you do is you plug your USB cable into the USB port, plug the USB port into your phone, turn your phone on, and then put it away. Now everything will show up on your screen. You can clearly see there's a screen here saying, do you want to continue with Apple CarPlay? Click continue. Right now it's finding my phone. It's asking me to allow it. I allow it, and away I go. Everything that's on my phone now is on there. Not everything, but all the apps that are important. For instance, I can't watch videos on this, but I can get all of my music. So if I have the SiriusXM app, which I do, I can click on that, watch all or listen to all the great channels that I have on SiriusXM. With Apple CarPlay, because it's done through my phone, I now have Siri, so I can ask Siri to do things with my hand on the steering wheel via voice pass-through. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to push my button, hold it for 4 seconds. Hey Siri, can you give me directions to the Scarborough Town Center?
Getting directions to Scarborough Town Center.
Press go, and away I am. I now have navigation in any GM vehicle that has a radio, essentially. She likes to talk a lot. The other thing that I can do is I can actually tell Siri to make a text message for me. So I'm going to press the button once again, hold it. Hey Siri, can you send a text message to Mark Jansen Mobile?
What do you want to say?
Texting in the 2020 Cadillac CT4.
Your message to Mark Jansen says texting in the 2020 Cadillac CT4. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
You'll notice it'll pop up on my screen when someone texts me. I can just press the button and listen to the text.
Mark Jansen said texting in the 2020 Cadillac CT4. Want to reply?
No. But now I can ask and tell her to reply. Everything that's on your phone is now on your screen. Your phone's put away, out of sight, out of mind, but you still get all the great features of your phone. Works with all Apple phones, plus all Android phones via the app on Android Auto. Hey, it's Mark from Nurse Chevrolet Cadillac. I'll see you next time.